That's right, y'all. Midi GDN who sent Repa Adom. Minister Michael Danso, brand new one. Beautiful song. Welcoming you to your own show, OfieKwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. For today, Tuesday, the 14th of September, 2021. Check the time, 28 after 3. If we celebrate Kwako Pim 7 boy winners here, OfieKwanso. And I Tuesday, dear. Unim said your name, maybe see a quafa. Confessions. It's baby, I will be get ready to call me. That is if you have a problem. That's the only problem I said that the BI make kind of men fret. Because so fret now all block you be chance. What I say? No Ukrainian meaning why ya more fret bad do FM programs I would also know. Moya dear papa. Calling on any show on Adom FM and yet easy task. Bra ube brepa before call na go through. Ura day. Na no adapa na miami person me fracture. And I'm say, hey, JT for bra mu breni. So we appreciate all of you. Say Danny Damo friend because any panel friend Dawson. Be sending me a message or not Instagram, Twitter, and he was like, Jerry, I have been listening to you for so many years. Anytime I make the attempt to call you, Biano, me ya in fact. Nonsense, Obasi Macheri Amuye. Just answers in now me team. Now so me ya I'm calling for. Enti e kwan be na ya man for fast so mutimi e get it through na me say jo minimu. So we appreciate all of you. Said that we nem fana muguso mo ye nem fana muguso sa till your call get through. Na money akasa. Nyami hia mu nyina, nyami hia mo pa. Again, me be activating phone lines no, and this time round you are calling me. Na sa problem na AE2 app no. Ade na etete no, de edu nya no. Woni me ache sa asem no. Ofra membo di men kan baby afre fin so enche. You just have to go straight to the point. Now what can problem na che. Asem ba kono ya de bia me ka say nyame enam counselor Oscar 3PSO. You better find a solution to that problem now. Now also we need problem no utia no way you are smooth here. Amount for problems na eba no. Now the two team. And one can share near whom we no. And near who futu ne ba. Then also there are two ko to be. Said the beya go so bob brand ko animo no. That you could share situation at sa. What me who kwan ade be fa so. KB answer says hi. I am first. You and indeed you are first there. When end of the very first message I made. And then I'm seeing Obi back Kizzy. Also say I am first to greetings going out to you by Empress. Patrol KB I do a new first why. Ekuya Oscar says I am also here watching you live from Gumwa Ojobi. And then Nana Yeboa says I'm also watching you from the UAE. Echichi Amunya. Afia Traswa Deborah Abna Enim Sika Futru. I love that name. I'll say, please guys, don't worry. I am the first to and I'll message you just about 1,000. Message said to me, said, Jerry, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you too. Courage Doche. I also said listening to you live in Sumania at my tailoring shop. Dominion Stitches. I love the name. I feel blessed, K. Elom Azat. I'll say, good day, Chairman Jerry. Good day, my dear. Na Lamle Agbe. I'll say, hello, Jerry. Thanking God for a good day. Becca Abenachum. I'll say, hello, Brad Jerry. Watching you live from Tema Fishing Harbor. Now you're calling me my Obapa Ellen. I'll say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Ray Kweku Brazil. Or is it Brazil? They watch on me I say RGT no. Anyways. And I am saying Ray yeah boy room now yeah the confessions are brilliant. But answer no. Yamfa need ma de need seno Kel Kids toothpaste papa ya to boas aron e de amamo fra no A boa mo gum na very strong and healthy and prevent cavity. Mom was no so my papa bam about freshness there near all day. Yeah, the strawberry I want and yet my year Nika ya corner some of Frandy Bichu and Sedani then. TFE a year 2 edicosi 6 years one. Ya Kai saw the Kel Kids toothpaste the Bichu Mosiamom come on. FDA Mushimwaja to Miss or Habia anyhow. Samara Company Limited Nako Fat Diaba. Kel Kids, happy smile. Market baby, I'll be out there. Pan-African Savings and Loans say cost one for 2 anymore. Say ya tete promotion now or the buy no exujinamwa. Just September busumi we need a chat to answer baby here. And to take advantage of the reduced rates on our loans. Never be secure loan kese go ipa. If I try with Jumano Emo, your Greater Accra, your Eastern, Central, Ashanti, and I feel I have regions in Imo. Friend, baby, I want to ensure branch a bell. Nebra na business 057 555 7777. That's 057 555 777. Choose Pan-African. Choose greater strength. Dominion about powder. Your number 1 immune booster. A sign boy and normalize your blood pressure amount. Or heart and I say kidney related problem. Be answer be here for your diabetes, ni stroke there and can. We are Jumaki to be out bread pa. We dim what you bremo. Dominion about powder be do a KJM what. And the pharmacy shop be do any betchum be especially herbal shops no. Oh, do be on ye be answer bekan. And yes, for any chair and cocoa also share Angel Dominion about Center. Number is 0543 185. At Yafaso. Patron numbers no. And your numbers no. 020 429 6449. And I'll fee 0543 158 195. Dominion about powder. Your number 1 immune booster. Flora disposable handkerchief. And also na airboa. Now I'm waiting me at the camera. And for the normal cloth handkerchief don't show bottom. People we are was the ashawa beam there be. Bacteria you need them one now transfer. Use Flora disposable handkerchief. People we are no attraction. Yeah. And what you know, your floral toilet rolls and so on. And our floral multi-purpose paper towels, our floral table napkins, and our floral box tissues. They are available in a shop near you. If you Delta Paper Mill Limited, the door panel phrase 0243 033 033. Yeah, but also, the do be on here, be answered. Young fan coming on. Ding ding ding. Dam dam dam. MTN Guswa is celebrating the 25th anniversary. The Santi and the MTN at 25 mega promotion. I share so. I want to me brand new Sonata 2021. There no. Car no more de bruta. Makuma 25. Head down back with the drew bit me out there. Cause why use where your MTN number no fakasa for test for browsing. Use your MTN app no Pulse app no. Use Momo no. Ne gain the points more. Also wait me add your car. Ultra 7 or MTN at 25 mega promo no more. Just dial star 156 hash and begin your journey to win big. Only on MTN. Everywhere you go. Set terms and conditions at HD. Where Lizzie in Tiamwa. So no so and then you go so your bon kaya so TV now watch the program now enjoying the panel and you'll be enjoying it in 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality. Our brow connect to HD TV, to an HD plus decoder. Yes. And yes, Samsung has a Samsung UHD or QLED TV that they are. What connects my multi-TV satellite dish now? Wait me out downloading my HD Plus app no, from the Samsung App Store. Now I enjoy TV viewing experience. Can see I can make sure the Philly experience no. And yes, out there boko Konakoto HD Plus decoder nibi from the nearest Electroland shop. And now say multi-TV dealer outlet be nationwide. Nation to say every HD Plus decoder be able to be so to me activate Wabrow dial star 879 hash. Now I feel prompt to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 months free subscription. Now after the free trial period so to me sign dial star 879 hash. Now I subscribe for either 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and now 12 months package. Yeah, and only 7 cities, 25 cities, 60 cities, and then 210 cities respectively. Over multi-TV decoder dada. And you koto HD Plus decoder nibia. And when you saw some additional, or the boss wa ultra to mu and need them. But you dika. Weekend here, best in at the first mini clinic of the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair. Yeah, the Brew. Don't forget, it is powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats. Nyame Adom weekend here, the second mini clinic in the Basso Den West Hills Mall. That's Saturday the 18th and then Sunday the 19th of September 2021 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. each day. Let me follow you on social media platforms. How do you now? So with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. For enquiries, now afraid 054 690 8179 and afraid 054 011 0389. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and also sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. Renters Paradise, where people and properties find each other. EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. Papa Bills be you be my wife. Be Sisichum new one mama me mommy my wife. Over any birthday. And then Vodafone saying, can't you say, no two businesses are the same. Adwuma mienu bi anyone more. Adwuma ru anu kura betimi at the same adwuma ru ana. But running such two business no enema no enye pepepe da. You know, from phone calls to between colleagues to the team's WhatsApp group, adequacy bulk SMS to clients. Every business be our different needs. That is why Vodafone 2 match business. Emma, the best mobile plan on the market with awesome value for amazing results. Now, Uber designer wow mobile plans to talk, test, and do more according to your unique business model. Now, Vodafone 2 match business here. Amount the flexibility. I'll bet me that customizer voice, SMS, and I'll say data plan. I bet fit business and I feel budget, and we are very important part. So now you can grow your business to match your ambitions with more in your mobile package at the same price. Open signing up on Patcho send a start. That's START. For call 050-777-9000. That's 050-777-9000. Yes, I'll send the email. For call vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Vodafone, together we can. Yeah, that Lizzie O'Crassy. Yeah, we say, member Sanyumwe. His name is Jesus. It's a brand new one from Sisi Chum. Member Name Fama me mame. Mame no wabre. I'm a friend Poma wabre. Ah, na me nkwa cry Adom wo. Wabre. Matete nache. Wabre pa. Mr. Radi say Obeka no ama na hoden. Na wama na nyi ache na yekuku ne so a na yama na disa ne ade a cause wa bread I'm after Poma. Happy birthday to you. Yamin Shawati. We love you so much. Yenina Same Asantoa Harriet and I feel grandchildren. They say, "Oh, no, so I say, treacherous, almost those." They say the Browns for no, me and son. Dennis, no back on so crazy. Only niece go. Harriet, man. Them I mean, can Rihanna back on the Anaka. Asantoa side also no. Stephanie Michelle. Say some here word. No so start to produce you. Me they say mato. And African pomada da and Mr. Mensah's Wajibako. That's a junior PE. Not just a Jumanesi. So happy birthday to you, I'm African Poma. Yamin will enjoy this one. His name is Jesus. Brand new Sisi Chum. What would you birthday and maybe also know? This one goes out to you. Enjoy. Let's go. And hears every prayer. There is nothing he can do. Nothing he can do. He's gonna fix us. He's the Lord who sings on. And I from Michael Anane. Auntie Maggie. The lovely boy, the lovely son, so or a man married with says 2 kids or so, and I mean, Michael Nyamisha, happy birthday to you. Auntie Maggie Semen Kancho said, "Whoa no, we are strong from a year wawo brimu, a braya wa." From Germany to Ghana, Michael. Happy birthday to you, Michael Anane. We feel my man, Auntie Magin Chair, and I feel Mr. Anane, and I feel wife, and the more funny, and the entire family. They all wishing you a happy birthday. May God bless you. Nothing he can do. And that is you no person or mafia Ariano. But I don't just say Puma drink and no because any other give him near anymore. Forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, be confident, be determined, and be joyful. Ninyina mu no say o ma unsa kan e opima drink. Wabubu bia fili say orange and I say cola. 1 cedi 50 pesos per na asset. It's a whole new vibe. They are available at major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door panel for 0262 351 251. We are another quality product if Casa Preco Company Limited. And Kratui FDI Mushimwaja to Musaya.
Nothing he can't do. His name is Jesus, the Rose of Sharon, Lord of Judah. He sees and hears every prayer. There is nothing he can't do.
Happy birthday going out to my dear friend Sally Adom. I pray for long life and prosperity for you. From Bernard of the Multimedia Group Sales Department. Abusuan betwa phone lines now to see na and confessions. Yeah, they are so. In the meantime, a happy birthday going out to Tracy Nyakwa, also known as Nana Ya of Asinga Mwabeng. You are the sweetest, coolest, nicest ever seen in my life. Stay as you are, little angel. Wishing you a happy birthday. Have a nice day from your uncle Foreman. All right, Abusuan 0302 216 561. Afe 0302 216 562. We air confessions. Obetimi afro from member din chain baby akase free so emfa kan let's go straight to the point na ka problem chain na yenhwe kwan a nyame ebeka eye counselor komana ya find a solution to that problem na odenam no. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Me patrol etese be me na
nyame adom Jerry.
Ya de nyame ase yeti asem ade na mo awie
Jerry ma some say any abaru bi wuyi.
What say?
But
now why any? What's it say?
The depression said the warren.
And now we are not in the wood too.
You go soon not problems room. And I had it too. And never my son, or I am my son, but now I try, sir, or big guy. Na my good dear good on my pika kumu the sidan they are semi huna a semi hospital basa in the bashi and a separation by but not me ba na obi am worry and separation by an saying oh sir
okay so mo worry about you were living together
no what in the fear
or not in the fear now so too fear
if you na man
na musiesie aware but because oye me ma 70 no
and I go so ya dey separate you separate you but you call your last born no problem be ho the problem you ho no men ka problem ko but and then my someone ko fu ku no chi ani but I had you may be a man friend advice in that one fact that all corners of fan. I demand or Sanko Fuku. You know, but such as a BPM saying.
Who are saying?
It's a the friend advice in a better one cheap. I can't problem of a chance. Well, this is the problem. Oh, yes, sir. This is here what the Ayam at the Colano Kuram and Ekutan. Siciano, in Colani, Indiana. Let's try best. You shall
opening. I was a problem we now say on and the Untimicano. And no nama yen shedden ye hunty as ye now, so see was among owning Colani Temcrano. I be away. Want me and worry or Conny baby and Colano so. It is in Colano or no more no.
Colano no more, but maybe Obana man.
Oh, they are Colano Banaman and a Beman war.
Beman no.
It is the same no problem, Nakasankas I ding.
See, mamma named Colani internet break. Colani, they are sure, but the media and Colani mammy chain.
So,
try the best.
Mebao. So now, no, is it the problem? No, has it got to do with the custody of the children? Saying can Colani about why? Now, saying.
Some Colani filming. Maybe I film Colana. Colana from one would be let's make business. Sumi Jam, I better go Colana Papa.
Okay, young fan say Mebao, young fan say who take responsibility of Colano, but who need access to them? Is that not it?
Yes.
Okay, you, Marty. Until you had better cancer, but what try say be engaging on this now? And I be our own family in Mobekasa. Say be a de uye ni na oban so kwan onam so ni ntin ko mo ne nkasa na bibisa
omo nyina omo ni obi ni get o ma bo mani free omo man.
All right, you open here to asem you better cancel any why you better ask na ya fire next caller na ya share ono so asem out the number African. Are we good to go? Hello. E patro wa man so no yen kasa why. Hello. Wow. African for why. Hello. Yes, good afternoon. At the same. Hey, online yes e bubu ni mu. Ubetimi adandan wa gina yi kakra ni akasa. Wow. What's it? Who you su earpiece and can if you su kasa or phone straight why? Huh? Where you? Afi kasa what's the nose saying? Sister.
Yes.
My you phone mouthpiece one be on na say better okay ya the work so funny na minti hwe kra.
Yo. I remember ni brava ni ka di ba ko nkoko.
Obra also obra I won nkoko.
Cousin. Mi cousin one.
O cousin e won nkoko.
That's right.
And our cousin no one cocoa na den.
Yeah, yeah, and I was one
hello.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, maintain the okan one. Today, Gina so African. She said, "Oh, wait me, Gina said no, because I had no maintain. Why now they push you before banners? Wait me, engaging one. Oh, betting and can now the why now, mama. Hello. Information later. Yeah, hello. Good
afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon. Patrick is saying.
Adom.
Great. Patrick, you was a modern now.
I'm saying America, son. Jerry Wabo modern power. We say what two mamma bedding into your was is why is that? It did not be person me, no. Na men so may ye, at the Ashem mammy and Dunyam.
You.
Why are they? Why? My problem is, my problem, they keep to heavy. Cancel, we are. Onya ni norma, and my on to the bononya. If you say you move the assembly a person any councillor, Eddie in Kitahu, Emma
okay.
So we are only no more money slowly, and my own money slowly.
All right.
I am typing and one any problem.
You.
That's all. Bye bye.
Yeah, that was it. Ubiani the problem. Ubiani movement. Honestly, the fans are right. Yam twasuna yam pig for na. Yeah, same. In the meantime, happy birthday, Madam Sylvia Hoffman, aka Mama Zimbi. Our DVL tema, and not just a DVL form waterman, so or Mama Zimbi or owner in charge of enterprise insurance, our DVL tema, Madam Sylvia Hoffman. aka Mama Zimbi. Happy birthday to you from Felix. Osinya me unsha no nyo kese. Hello. Sorry. You better try na yahwe. The one man so na yetimini ono so ato aso na yahwe se de say aya ne mu na ho sa o mo kasem na onte na aye no bibi o entina akwa no sa no African one na wi na so be me afa next one awai na yen to us because ebre no ko na yetimi hu se de ye be no afa hello no African Favor na yanko ai na oh yes on way ama ade no so aish aso red but bende Uzuti 106.3 Adom FM we confessions and yegusu ayede every week. Hello.
Hi there.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me pacho saying. Okay. Pacho na wa ma no so kakra man why? Yentie wasem na ade nam no.
Pacho na me guy bi dey. Many dates, no, yeah, we back and say, a boy in his guy, it's not me. Now, the name they will on them. And say, you know, like I said, again, I can say, one is the boy in the year, and I'm see you. And I may catch a boy and say, baby, I do need here, mechanical, or my NP on. Ono sisi dabi. Zi sama na ye problem pa ono so. Yensi na me na fa.
Me ba o. Boy na wo ni date no. And another girl be catch wo say girl boy ni ono ne boyfriend.
Me pa try na.
Itinka ni nyai.
Me pa try.
And na wo no yes o be twe ho no na boy no so say da bi. Me nko na wo no pe o.
Me pa try.
It is say other girl no so e.
Oh no. Oh ba.
Enti bema no guso ne ono wo ho no so wo na ope wa na se ono na jai.
Ono no oh. Ono boy girl no wo. Boy ne ma me ho.
Girl no e wo boy ne ma me ho.
Me ba try.
It is all na say to be ho.
Me pa try.
And I want so there was to be no ni no.
Me pa try.
Ba won husband to be na ngasa ne ho.
Invasha by Saturday, me person became a home by honor society.
Hey, sister. Gina you, why? Na anko problem. Obey you also neja, obey so obey boy mammy honey ideas. I say, okay, ode yeah, the better counseling. Why? You. Boy, so I didn't ya, Chenzen ye no. Hello? Sorry. Edumare dio boys like girls asem no. You better so. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear.
It is a
I'm out doing now, so.
Miss me, I'm patch with you.
Pacho, mene, some guy, you know, but Mina de 3 years, but Makuma, and now on many joy and you truly don't open here. No, Miss concern is mental failure. A Bema or time the other dam and then if they say, I may have no hope or ferment. Send them behavior towards him. I know that it's not right. But yes, so he tries to call. And me to have the day said the X-rays and the chance your man now finally not saying thank you marriage if your battery is me bad. And I'm assuming there's someone in that the counselor
just say wow ni wa ko mza boy no it is say no ena me ba say eniama koso a na yesi na say woman go ahead a boy no de obeware ho
yes
ena oware wa enya ade wani beji because unim so nipa no ndo no sa na ade na woman hu say ade no wakuma nim na mo betwa so mo twa so na 3 years ni wa keeping around sai.
But brother, me person me ankasa me free me to my country no.
Iti ka pesa o man attitude sa ko pem se be funu no akọ.
Aha.
Eno no so de wo ye bia oguso tolerate sa.
But
There may be easy and case any member dear na member dear so ya te why?
And I think so say Abia or tolerate na say at long last it enters into marriage. Like he would back.
Already.
He would treat me back badly.
The old sister, you why? Yeah, the better counseling. Why? Oh, the old when it the hopa na wow boni buga si ana bema so de ho ti afi usuru say kodane aware a wan hwa de ode ye no so de bia yo aware ni oh that's a new ya mi hu ye mobo ya mo me fa last call away na ya fa last one ye face de aya na ye hello wow e pa cho wa man so ne yan kasa wa hello I'm for bra obi so bre no onyam fan so a onkasa na ayasem foforo. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon, say.
Brother.
All right, Patrick into why?
Brother, we need to do about we more talk. We. Me na abai wadina e wo I think that it's of 13. But you can move. And by one money who said, Mammy, and injured cancer. And again, not open me again.
Get on him, also on Peninsula.
Aha.
After one get on a way, no.
I am in a way. Aha, but you get on the money, not your better, and I say. Ni sene do peto ono fa kwa dia na isi hono again do e manyi na je nya dia o tragin sene bagi ana again no so e mani hu ke se ta no ye so on pene so dia na nya dia bi hu ni no ta se bon nti de wa sam ne ko no ana memenya do nya ni ko nti e ko na o me hu se ta dia ni tu ne ko ne ade no wa bisa ne baba na bisa na girl na ama na hu say nyensa na nyamia no me hu sa ndi me hu sa na misi yo the girl na agia tu say nyamia na asate no ye say meni ade a ni ha bia na obi sa senti ka bia ma bo fi asase na kwakọ wan with man and ka bia ma bo ni ade bia no me mama me no hu na o me bia ma me no ka fa che na misi yo enye hwe girl na anye bia ade wa ye bibia ma me da ni ekoye ba ekoye na tina again be wo ye bibia wie ni ade apede o mu ana again na frame no kan sem se akwala na ye say di ba na really na me wo feeling ma akwala in a sense again ni me robert man mo apede e course bia den as o no mo apede na meta bi say e dia mi moja kan ho ite we say we again ma me be hu a chi say you and animal letting no threatening I didn't tell no or quite take us our chain is there. Thank you, sir. Where's all that? And I will be who you into the cars and I didn't see no Mama Mina who not that I'm not quite my ministers and a band, yes, sir.
18 patrol, say no,
I asked them about 9 years now.
Hello, it is the long and short of it, say. I climbed a over.
Sana yes, sana mfile again no ma me no born in training no. And yeah me bani ade but say no they really want me say I should come back and then we settle the issue.
But akola no me ba ye nye no ba ko but akola no omo fa ne nkoma obi a be ma foforo obi ade.
No kre afekwa no esi madwen so asem ne say bani ade no e na ma me no obi frɛ ye say ga na nyem ye no wo school no nyem ye a wo ko chop santi omo wie oba ye no obi sani iska so no onye interest nti onko terminate abem ama ga ni bisa na wan kwa anko ye okudi ye aha ti sa ni pa no e be frɛ say no no so ati say again no ni bi wo ho bi na me wo ho no enti tana ti de ono no omomo nya wadwen som de ne ba kwa akoma obi ba we nyina chi e kwatena si we na again no efe aba me be hu say na ma me mo yin na o bon tan no say so o so bi ti me ni that be akeba
be me enti se si an ya fa ne say the other man na anka oye senka lady in terminated pregnancy na enya amba so no o interest wa akola no e na se won so interest wa akola no nyesa
ba sa ga no kwa do no ni krum ha bi ade ni na no so ne pipa we no
okay ba se si ya no se be ya madwum be da no ene ade na monye DNA na mu de akola ne de anka sa wi a na fi
no pe mini ga na discussion ho no ready bi akola ne mo abon any school na mani ade aka ba ma me no ono ene ferry into on person bia e be ba forward na whatever you need to do na you make it clean to our akola ne ho no because waba be ferry chi se ne ba no ye ne sa se enye ya
okay for wa sumudwe enti no ho me the better counseling anymore right but me call drink kakra for wa sumudwe se be ya dachi bia na meye asemfofo bia bi no se maame na efere se wontimi ma forward because of what she did earlier no ne ade nti no o de be ya nke no forget it na wa jeto ho so na collaborate with the lady no na say ne DNA na mo be ye kra na mo hu se de ade ni si a na from there no o de ferry ne abibia no fani na to nche na wa be ko no abusuafo be ko forward na officially mo ko accept na wa je oba hwe oba say de wa ka say wo special feeling before abofra no I say truly your oba na eto aso from there why
but you na
but de ni na mu ye ne counselor so be kasa na ya hwe bia be ko akosi girls you mo fafa ko asa na aye yi ade awofo no so ade no basa so a aya mo me hwe na you are connected with counselor na ya to aso enye better sa me patcho me ma re free say ene eye oba sima chede ye de bebrel e wo fie kwa adwumedi so Adom 106.3 FM eti patcho hye no so. How well do you know about Obasima seal on food products outdoor and near my outdoor woman at the idea nyina so kaka idea and you do an afra now I do watch it or call baby you know be any yourself young kwamano so na yene a counselor and kasa Nafi the amount for the best somewhere in area, you know, on farm yes now they say atutum. Good afternoon, councillor. Good. Yamwa kwaba, yedi say we onwe. Eden yamya se pa, so ye ho ye e wa hawie. Na ensem ne bi hadwen. Em say abranti ani ni wie sisi ye die. Minim say na wasugu na asem na wo kan so na. Say you know say de ekeka ko ide. Say jama just DNA ebom na okuhu mpanifo minim say minti ne de no bi mu nkirewa okay so ono no che say na bayo no school na ono ne sheshe wa na pregnancy eba mu na girl ne ma me sorry ti I den che say on pe boy na ni mu ahwe kra na che say enye boy ne bom na responsible for the pregnancy no eti e ma ono so ne nkrofo kunwe ma akoye say omu yi omu sefi mu omu ka say ka bia boy na bo lady no so for bia akra no anka omu fa ni sika man na onko ba boy no so yeso say omu ko hu maame no eye oba ne maame no komo ekupi mu ho no ba boy no so ye na adwen say o anya hwe kwa no ba na bibia man nti ontimi demand bibia back na o forget here o say abra na lady no enyem no aka na wawo ni na owo ne nchen nti obinya saa attachment be with the girl tonight say or penasem na actually no cry no and obetete say pregnancy ni buy no there was a man who even sent money to the girl saying confirm terminate pregnancy no ama later on so who say girl na edges can but one koye no so say NS na tie dia e ba ne ba dia anko mo fa ba ne ma no but girl no so aka che na manate ne ho ase say pregnancy ni de e yo no boy na nemu the way anane ma me behave ni nti ne ma opene so say enye boy ne dia no but akola na kasa de eye boy no dia nti sisi no na aba be abranti a problem but on also che say maame no say we hu no kura no say ne bana ka kire no but out of shame I say very big akraba the way we treat boy ni earlier ni tina ma omo ntimi mba forward me ka asem ne say ne abofra ne ye ode enti ne bra na be take responsibility na bibi etisa but ono so de unyaye ananka waje ne ba no ti me suggest ye say ne be ye dia ankone girl ne collaborate na say ne DNA bi no be na obeye 100% sure say kola ne ne ba dia nanka ne say ne maame no girl no maame ne ferry o say den nkonfa bibi anto nche na ono a organizing abusuafo no mo nko nanka mo nko ka ho asem na ne onje ne ba nanka asem fa na asem ko kakra me ka kire no no mum de
So that for the sake of option.
yeah
No, this is sort of no way about no.
okay
Then you end up this one going forward. It doesn't why again and nothing. The only nothing. You overcome and you young and the money will be made only the Japan. But I need papa to go out to be Anchor one on that tangent and putting anymore.
yeah
You're catching a number of for the sake of a and for the sake of
right the way abai we try say oni abrantie bi adate for the past 3 years na abrantie no bibia e kama mum de but na koma mu pa de ono anim say ondo boy no enti because of that no wa sha say kra ma boy ni attitude ni ade but de obeye bia kra no I say impusu boy no still na no boy no guso do no a che say wo hwe say de nhyehyeye ko na boy no kra nya obekwa akọware no kra akọye no ho ade na che say ono natena but ono susuro say anhwe yi a na bibia ensi am omo anyaye a na say boy ni ware na ebe say waware obi a onno no because na koma mpa de onno boy no but ono so mpese ebe fini ho no no be pai mu aka kire boy ni say ondo no nti omo mu ntwa so ena ohwe the way a watete boy no attitude ode ama no ne ade a boy na tolerate ni na over the years you know osuro nso say o kasa okay osesa na koma na wado boy no mu atena e bia na da achi no boy ni be why ni wi a the boy will also pay her back ama no attitude ya no so de mama no sisi enti the problem I don't know
oh worry the likeness that has generated in love and the worry don't worry only out of love issues of marriage one thing here and it's not create love but open it and son now don't want then because of issues of marriage even if the love goes down the likeness that you have for the person will sustain the marriage and then bring back the love. And in anyone. Also no guy. You let them yet. You see, I can completely say she's benefiting from the guy.
Yeah.
No hand young. And such a person or not probably to herself. She's not been to. And you are talking about the who are in Panama. You yourself, you're not been to yourself and to the guy. Also, on the pan. Can show you what is that? It's only Namiyati. That I mean, no. In any case, of course, you get change. But it's happening because it's benefiting from the guy. And that's what happened. They don't know. But we don't know the money. And some people advise, and actually, along the line, over the donor, hanging because you're getting some benefit. Also, I want to drink now, but you see. You see, on don't if I know, on the gym, a simple way. On don't if I know, on the gym, on the job in the money, on catch on. And that you are showing what you're in also see you. These are the things that people do. I'm worried. Not those things come up. Then they go and say, "Who bet you?" Sorry. Oh yeah, Bema wa any ejuma. Oh yeah, be no Bema wa any ejuma. Common sense. Okay? So chat is not show no. Such a person will go warrior. Now one day, also the guy on any go or money no man on any go. Say along the line, like can be piano. Ever come. Do him someone don't live on one catch a go. Window. It's a simple thing. But you say, Mendono, but me should not, Nanakasanko, and then but because we have some benefits, official, maybe no man be along the line, madam. But why now? I'm doing no. Now you are saying to me, but don't want. Ye were here. Ye pay some in that he's going to do the same thing. Come on, wake up. Wake up. The seeds you sow, you reap them tomorrow. Because the cast at me. The seeds you sow today, you reap them tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
And the baby here every day, piano, every day. What we do, you are seed. You are sowing seed. If it's official, no, sit the guy there and tell the guy, say, please, I'm not interested in this relationship. I don't do it out. We are leading the guy on.
Yeah.
You lead him on, the guy is following, and then you say, I'll show him out. Then that's what she's doing. My conscience is holding. Only we saw the no more guy anymore. But on to me, can't say, on guy. And to make sure what want to be an uncle, message to one, but the guy is smart. The guy has seen to the lady. Don't say, I'm going. Show me how to jam up. Because what you give me, when you see you, but see, no be so then. You come at hell. The man no know about this. Bible says, as long as the earth remaineth, this time and harvest time will not see. As long as the earth remaineth, this time and harvest no. Thank you. The sun will move from the east, now setting on west. Madam, the way you're dangerous. You have no interest in what you are doing, and then you are leading the guy on. Women are not for you now along the line, not for you one, you will be a Joe. Why you say? Sit the guy down and tell him that I'm not interested. To move on your life. Not because of the benefit you are getting from the guy, no. Don't you can find him. But you know, the guy will be no. Let's see. Ingredient, I do why. Who just them. As open as you have done. That's what can hold your marriage. Don't know beyond worry. Don't know beyond the number. Because yes, I know one day, those things will come up.
Right. The next one also, Ochese na abayiwe one Abran TV, ena ewoho. Omo dating kakra. Ewumuana another lady. Ebe catch and say on back off. Okay. Almost sure. Counselor. It's almost no more nana. Another lady who catch on no lady we say Abrante na on any date no. Hey or no boyfriend. It's in kono back off. And was how. It's okobisa Abrante and bizarre guy na guy so no but one way into any problem biasa. Oh, but me bizarre the whereabout of that lady now. Or say lady no friend no cancer chair no. Lady no ewo boy no ema me mo eho. Eno no so ne boy no. Na am say na obi a ono ewo nasi to be ho na won so de husband to be no na we no. E chese omo ni mo no a wo de omo ni mo. Enti wan hwe yi a na chese ebe ha dwintinka otu no hofo. Na emom no wo ba de on so no be ka charity ono so na asem no no.
Obi afẹ de ka guy no ni na me.
Aye.
And the guy is only Nananta.
Aye.
As we speak, she's the guy.
On this say lady, new lady no go so guy no ho. But
new lady no only guy net.
Said the way they also.
The other guy to make guy in my minute.
On the guy in mammy or guy in mammy.
It will be a for you, local. It will be a home base. It will be a foreign base.
Yeah, so.
Very simple. It's either the guy is interested or not. But say other guy they have to do. No guy is mommy here. I want everyone. Hey, I'm not going to you. Madam, it's your fault. Chum, that guy again, I'm going to resolve your wishes for years. But it's looking like I'm going to resolve your wishes for years. And then a guy in mommy, I accommodate again, the other girl. And the relationship between guy and any other girl, it's more. Because there's no way anyone can accommodate with you. For the mother to be doing that, it means that anyone that's my friend, guy and the other girl. Where do you know? If you want to know what you're doing, don't catch it. On guy again, I'm going to resolve your issue before they can move on the relationship. Because the way I call it, if you're going to be a looker, to bring advantage for coaches name, to bring advantage for people name.
Yeah.
Especially your best. Madam, you but we are able to be a woman to something. Not Janny for little mamma, who's the time? This year, I'm sure. I catch his own political issues. Answer.
Okay. All right. Last one, no. Papa just said, Abrano Guswa or your preparations or bow on no, no. Anka on bet me, Aquawino. Ena Obano Benyum Yena, Omoe. Ena a woman or sign him beam no Mosa not just went to me and yen one day, but on an hour, mum, you know. But the antiquan any metrin transfer, not Obano a memasem. Or can you tune foot to for and fancy baby could be an idea. Our NB, Ines will be a penny baby fa. And will be a penny baby afa. Na ono ena ohwe nkolano achese nkolano bibi ono a na akolano na nkolano initially no mo no but kakra no ma oba no call oba no wom no call oba no ho eno ne kotena but once they say maame na politu nkolano adwen ama chese ono so kra wonya access to nkolano meanwhile ono so na o take responsibility of nkolano bibi emu ono ohwe nkolano na saade ne ne ya se obre nkolano ho ne nso no onya access to them na that kind of bonding no anyhow na ebi adachi bi ebedu no kran betimi aka say he wasn't responsible meanwhile he is the one oye bibia it is hard na any problem onya etwa na nka onya custody of nkola no so na ono atimi ne omo bonding na wahwe ne ba
I know Kaka, or see the view on Beto.
Until also on the person Becca. I would say now I have very emotional power.
Yes, you confess it. So if you are there, people are now in car.
It makes it difficult, yeah.
Imagine can say I'm really make one because also the view on Beto. But be aside there, need to boy to know what we are dealing with. But the occasion now, you know, I am myself. My morning Kasai, and I am myself, and I am and I'm happy. The cost of you will Parano shed here. Open cocoa. Now, in December, every week and every month, if anybody of time, this and that, and what is if that's what he's looking for. But the fact is that you want to make and no, that. But if it's about the quality of the Panama, for him to prove that on no show Mudia and Uncle Court. Madame Guarau, he knows how show. And from what he said, he was saying, Emerson Corano, because of can't say. What he meant was that opposite the mobile one problem at the time on render service to them because or show me. That's the deduction I'm making.
It is true.
From what he said, we won't say, or pretend to run your praho, woman in that now.
Yeah.
Because I'm not sure, and he's not getting that. And that's why he said, the one show more, the catch on papa, that's what he's looking for. But me, so if that is what he's looking for, and your uncle, no, sure, in Corano, sure the year, we are but the age now, they will not plant them in Corano. So, or show more, they will know about it. Then Gramon in the baby, I'll show more, they know.
Do I be sure?
When you are paying the school fees, they know. They're in Corano at the stage. Now, just school visa. Now, person who is on show more. Who school, name from Papa about this school. If that's what we are looking for. That's 2% Corano who's on show more. Because of money that I'm going to give with alcohol.
Yeah.
2,000. Medicine. Move on good. They will know that you are the one giving 2,000. You call them. School, my friend, I'm here paying your school fees. This is your weekend. This is a month. They will know about it. But I said, did you on and he's hiding it?
Yeah.
But I can say that he's looking for service from the children because he said your age and which you school and they also almost school. But if it's about the cost of video of the school, and they don't go.
Okay. All right. And then counselor, and YDBC. Na yes, sorry, sweet. Na asemwa odibija kwana yedi etu yonfu na fe ya sorry so.
This is a quote by OfieKwanso. You see, life will not give you what you deserve. You must fight for what you deserve in life. Unquote. Life. Life will not give you what you deserve. You must fight for what you deserve in life. I repeat. Life will not give you what you deserve. You must fight for what you deserve in life. What you sow, you reap. Uncle. This is Mankasam Kuti. You also become here. It will be here, big man.
Now the buy.
Life will not give you what you deserve. You must fight for what you deserve in life.
Good.
Uncle.
Good.
Ocean
so counselor, yada sepa yaminka ho. Name of now man for kase your number no. Obi free also the osne how no number. Eti say omko Facebook o na so. Omo key in Oscar Sipina eno
Oscar Sipi one word.
Yeah.
Oscar Sipi one word.
Yeah.
OSCAR SIRIPI.
Good.
Within an SPU,
SIRIPI.
You call Facebook one word or one word. Whatever it is, you put it there.
All right.
But you see, they are listening.
Sure.
But they don't how long. Now I want to respond to how.
Okay.
Make yourself see me money slow.
Yeah.
0 2 7 8 1 4 8 8 8 0 2 7 6 8 1 4 8 8 8. That's how long you're not answer.
Yeah, so very. Counselor, that's a all right, so Counselor Oscar Shipi and I attend Kano, the we and so I say where the be too for come up and no bright garlic capsules. Madama ekrombi the bright garlic plus capsules. A patch way come pa, ya unya bia. etimi eboa ye na improve your blood circulation and sign a boost your appetite no my immune system no yen den cholesterol no so na hwe control no me that level kama or blood pressure and sugar levels in no ebeto ye na fe or bright soldier capsules on so ya be ma libido no ateko beba kama sexual weakness ni adi na be say gina brane waist pains ni na be ko or low sperm count on so a bone ma be kama pa obenya bia to Kings walk herbal or kanshi dragging wa so na Hello Seba Benya bi ato FO afi Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic and a Tribe of Judah and also work Kaswa na afi Tinated health shops ahodo ni na mu across the country ubenya yenri ni echia kwan. Yes, our phrase 0243 98 3906 and our 0261 651 898. As they do from MTN Ogusu Dini 25th anniversary and when you watch Sonata Makomako 25 or MTN at 25 mega promo no emu. Cause use MTN number and fa kasa fa test fa browsing. Use MTN app no momo use Pulse app no use they gain more points now also be nya kaibi. Pacho shen say star 156 hash and no and I will try to na chese wa share with Jenny na say was waiting me really big only on MTN everywhere you go. Terms and conditions that count. Yeah, no share so I feel door master and the put my paint the put so my 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Epacho, you endorse ranging from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armor doors, bathroom doors to glass doors, flash doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors. Nina, prices under that from Kama. Oba painter from where partner with News Paint. Obeje yen Euro standard paint TB. Ediako paint your facilities are hold on in say schools, churches, government institutions, hospitals, individuals, real estate developers. Momejibi. Namu fanko paint na paint now pay later shishe no. We are near spread this kanama. What you trying kakra. Yen fa interest bia entoso emao. Abusia fre 0542 745 222 and after 050 021 2447. Now on air Edin Common. Yes, I hear a quine. Our Krakumasi highway so you walk Pubima to booth was so you to booth one. Hona when you to a shop no bit me abana ya business. Come. Abusia, you for in Prakwem real quick enough for fire get his sports and twasso. His name is Joe say. He calls this one me pewasem.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
OfieKwanso, with the man, Jerry Justice, on Adom
'Cause
my face. I dey cry now, yeah, me say yeah. Oh, it's me, yeah. Show me a jam in your wife. I beg your ma. To my souffle. Leave our pay. My remedy. I won't fail me, see me who be there. Oh, yeah. Oh, Missy, me go awesome. Auntie, you're out there. And no bet, nada. All right, let's end this one here. Now your man penny phone Kasana and Fire Irrigated Sports and Twasso.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. Papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Now face of Kumchacha and Twasso.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because mitia manage na me stress
I don't know. Offer.
Open program one dedication fast sports one. Irrigated Sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Offer that's name and any none of sports ones are if you are a man sports one shake.
Of anyone to turn over.
We are cover. What is it?
Adom. I said, Massica, Swan Run, and Johanna, and I
would take a cane. Now, and I want to see him to the tower.
Story or things like
a manania.
If you're more than a worker, you gave you your home now to say. Nipa bi hon mo ate so nya de saka
wa ya so we ni Jamaica
fia mo de na no ibi no peso here
o peso zero
o bi za me ze me ho
be se akwaba
ya jo
na what is it
o nyam ya do
we steady wa
ayi na o hene ba kisi nyu na mpeso oboma mo mi anzana
no, my birthday.
Mammy, Mario, the way
to a bed.
Now, Aberdeen is a matunary.
Now, crowds and quarter by 5.
Is it what to say?
Because Matuna Aberdeen.
What's ready a moment? I
don't me money now from now to say. Matuna Babako, Matuna.
Oh, mamma, didn't put
I'm from Poma.
I know from Poma. I tell you, a party, they're paying free until from Poma to watch our dear. Question
I mean, there's a cabana all the day. I'll bet Nina afternoon. So, because you're senior, that is a good tone of you.
What did James School? That's what you did, James School. What was that, James School?
I did James School.
What did you
Oh, Benny, patch up on your no,
I creating your memo.
Oh, and you be some mamma, no more. Now they wouldn't tell you. No. Ah, hey, that is Jenny.
Debbie, it is no. Ubisa
me bisanyo edi ama enofre poma kosanyo no ma.
So across here you wan kobida.
Okay.
Betu ayi bisanyo mu. So ni ma.
Wo hunyo me.
Ene boy, enum na ebo.
Me nti o. Amma na do me fe me yiri ba.
Amani nsu.
Me man no sound bite ba ko.
I've been all year, man.
I shouldn't get you more. Aboka cray.
On two first stanza.
A dear stanza. I did chorus yanye. Say some now.
Oh, no, but come you.
Assembly now, what can cross?
What I say,
I freeze not may penetrate in chamber binanca. Maybe sending him, you know, but may Yakwana, I say, I can't abandon again.
Papa so and no good. Yeah. 20 years.
It's moving uncle and minute
20 years into money.
Say, Anka, Ucha, I did also say, now, Umian say.
Also, somebody.
Somebody could too far, not done.
Now, last question, I could be a fear, and I say,
the doctor for try and dear. I don't know if I know it's
no free for my fish up and
yes.
Modimu na yefeni abra ye bobrana. Enye se de ke fani mi ba. Ye mo dam ntin se bo. On krekre mu nkoso amompa ye na. E dan se bo a ebuma te de.
Is Christians are
no kra no. Say okọ ni nsa ma chire kra na no so no ye ma na chi enye baza.
Yeah, e be hwe chi.
Bia kama pa nti no.
Is a look Christmas is a so for no mum bi. Wow, Christ my name unide. Wow, Jeriama, anti from Bama.
Who says that on name so one? You want to tap on my ass. No,
was a son of Pietro. Good to want it.
Was it for your phone, baby? Oh, I don't check his I am on.
I only pay for trial.
Meanwhile.
This is one. I work on my no why and 90
What do you mean, P?
There be me, my young stubborns are. Yeah, woman,
now.
Oh, so, Mamma, about Quassam. Oh, Mamma, about Quassam. Me ba Boko.
Yeah, I can't say, Mamma, your mother, some perhaps I'm passing a year out. So, maybe. Nyamya chwa chedi mum.
Etu nya usu be uti oyen.
Koku. Koku.
Na tia meti hey. Makase akasok. Any clerical neja. Aka mayo D4. But me can't say my money shut down fire. And nepa me asa kwa mobadi in here. Na ese akoda wa mechino. Se bempem grant me yeden. Enye ne nkwa. Odne ko se romance of obutum kra na.
Still around ever.
Man yim se bra ibo ni din. Se omra me fatimi. Eye bra Charles. Eye Charles. Kobna akuno. Na me say Debbie. Adwuma no. Ebe diama no. Na obetima ye adwuma na adwuma na sa kwan me de ma ayi. Kwasi apia. Okay, ena me kokan club ya. Utwa tu we.
Yeah. Crop yeah.
Me de safuto nso ma man ya ono nso so no. Wanfi. Na me kaso asa to say Blasters coach bi obebe bia nso anfa safuto no dia. Sa. I'm telling you, enya adwuma. Because obani de waye mframa obedwam no benya na ne yonkwa yeden. Sa be me simi nya buda. Enkofo e wo krom hanum se ya wo wadi captain. Ame ya sabotage wo mo. Nti why pen so na team ne be yi. What you say? abra za nipa no wo sika kakra no so betimi dia akoda ma ho ekro bi wo ye chi ho no makango
nsuo bi nsuo ni din na o
na alaji brusa on go fun tintinti bi o ma che mu odin pa obeko stadium wo be duro no mo tete
sa
oya de
obedu no mo tete o oya de kimpesa be so so mo tamakango fo ni nya bazeki mo boa
ebefa
na minze
ba ye juma
minze na nze no onya o mo ze
ko bore rai
em so ma pa ba
tete fo bi onyo makango fo mi abape eti kwan bia so no sa o stock no ya po yempo se be blasters na mai amana yi ya yankasi yi bi edge bid na experience that masa starless o mo kokoje cap aya na experience be no mo deko
dabi
experience be no mo deko starless kokoje cap
diga ye hwenya mu a
mesi yan clear wo mu nyina yen set blasters foforo players foforo with a new vision, a new plan.
Yeah.
Yentete nkoda ni ye.
Not just any from top to down. Na yen say the etete sweet.
Obani. Nti sa dia ye boa. Enti sa dia ye boa.
Asemu.
Papa o de ne ba be tonkon ho be ye o made na fe de. Ya say yi ne to na ka ye timi pam coach as at the time to so say you didn't 72 hours.
Fine. Omo nice be use that.
Na master teacher kra na wo pe bia ntu ka benya bi. 72 hours. Ubenya master teacher papa okruma. Obani. Enti sa yo anu se me de me kan me ye initial me kan o se o de na papa de me na me pen na me de bi nyesa sika kono ne odatelam te ne static coaching wo 11 wise on the 11 wise ba premier okay o mienu na na mi sheshe ko tu jejina ono a ne primu a
na omo se omo e de style e ba
yes o de be ba has na o de ba asante o de ko yash good granza o de ba asante na fide it say Dreams FC and say e be we say afi I'm just go Dreams FC grandson no besia ko ase asaba abani adwuma na nkasa no na ebro no so ene two we nyansa so a ode be ya adwuma no
ena na ade no so no wan do free na chiba
enya na meken we nyansa mfa nya adwuma no it play sa play here na no video ba here oso ana anwen ho kra so last one friend na adia ya me ya ne say
and also I'm a boy matters crowd
secret way say dem zinim secret when na share baby several times obi a onim say me ana say me ka chapa no kra na dempo program bi ayi Queen's Gate okumase omo say Queen's Gate no stadium na achi ho no ase ho no inside omura inside or not no biasa na net o the way CK esuban sitie otena brochira bobo ni ade no na ye adwuma na boso me nso ye mpia oka o ma meka so so oka be yiwadi say wan kan ye yiwadi se kom na day wa wantimi anya adwuma ni ya e say ho na abo no so bo obani ade na ya na yeso say onim say sa de ya kan kroma no ni nwuma mu ahudo bi wo no a enkrofo tim abusumi pale say ye ka say busumi bi hu aba be kan ho ye mpia ne ka
na boys yi na wen kan wen ho
what I say na ote hodin onka enso ote se obi adwuma ho ye demonstration na no otwena no bia na o ka bo
no wa for mic kodie
hadwen pasad no I was say would feel say eno no affect adwuma na wo ye ne dia fine be affect adwuma ne dia also can so that output no anko se de enipa bi expect ya no ma hu say baby na akoka papa ama age grada so ti ase ese asa na nkruma bi twa nkate kwa po na odi enchina ka kire no
yeah
either say adwuma na wo ye no wa bon na chinchina ye de wa hye ho ana say onya ade etu fo so okoka
ohun be ba sam
na wo ju hu di say adwuma na wo ye no wo ye ni yie wa ben wo betimi aye na ye mfa hu sika mawa na odi odin
na sam de onya kamenya ti
obeni na yeka yeken enipa biso ani abre den o de sika asem ne de ne yeka se yeka de besa
ye beka na uja fana bade kwa kuna unim say na na say de o kan sika die since independence Ghana coaches are Black Stars and Kwaya fire back 43
since
independent.
And I
43 coaches. Good. The Caps was good. World Cup you qualified 3 times.
Four no so am say ba ko de agi mi no ana say mi.
4 yes CK mienu. CK so local based coaches. Local based coaches na de agi you. Emu 23 eya abrofo. Emu 20 eya bibifo na de agi Caps ni nyina. World Cup no bibini ba.
Ene am say enu ntina man ade agina mu an say on de
bibini ba ko. Ena abrofo mienu ena de akọ World Cup. Kosiapia James Kosiapia ne Djukovic na fi
Kosiapia so de ko 2 times ana
no
baako Kosiapia de baako
Milo de ko baako na Djukovic nso de ko baako na Kosiapia nso de ko baako enti ka kire se abrofo simi mate se omo de omani asan ko kira bruchiri abrofo no enya de se fa best na ne se
na se abrochie no anasa abrofo no mfa de a adena yen crofo no so ba your mom the room to breathe now whatever support that they need on bet me that to near mama ye ne mfa
their mom unim
cause for
the past 10 years under 20 under 17 under 20 under 23 and function bio
and so unim say anke ho no
yes
and etimi ya na ye de chichire kese me etimi yi
I don't know
what I want so I say
okay e be hwe foundation fundamentals ni aye ni ye no ya jano say ntia say oh yemfa bi mfa mu nko Black Stars yemfa mu nko
de woncheni o ya tournament bi se Nkolandia ne abobo ano
kakra piem ba
ye ne e cha no bia o ma ba hwete
se wo ho
ni yansa Nkolandia nya visa kwa brichiri
amanfo ya no mu enu didi nkomo o unim obi a obetimi aye na o ya oya de pa na de mo
agency Black Stars
and let me say
me for my concession
I just say there's a concession but
video when send them
why is he now so when send videos by me show mu now so when now so
and another American will be say materials why read na me abaji bi akopa mu materials in
serious and this goes to prove saying we have players
yes materials in there talent no ho
local and international in na ye wo Ghana fo a omo but se be ya omo no be nya akonya
se we mu ni because you build under 17 no wo share under 17 from that time omo koya koje World Cup e bae odato lamte ko Black Stars Mohamed Gago ye ko Black Stars that time Senegal 92 okobi Isaac Asari kobi and omo boy so and so omo boy you see, and now it's a transition crack even as a Kasara Bona Kosiapia at bench at that time. Yeah, na Kosiapia so Captain Black Stars or Captain wa bomb my yellow with child Boko Tokwaji, the also Jibia. As a Kasara small boy, Oba no ball. 3 homa my yellow fino at bench crack the pian Gago room. Crack, that lamb to be jam. You see, and no shed those days, social Nigeria players, some don't buy ya. Siasia no Steve Keshi mutiwa depo junum guavon memma pa enso kakra boys yetimi no boy ayi o mu free abedinom did I say transition kakra Stanley Abora ne hot say ayi maba enso that time ne a good coach ya o timi transforming players o ye midfield akra be o ye number 9 player o timi shows I was with my before no do be Sam Johnson we ye ni bi no ye striker ne be bo akire kakra ni de
ojiboso pa
na as I say there just a generation we there enye
yan kan ko etiro de embre 2009 ya akra ye under 24 yo mkoje World Cup
African Cup ajimambedu no time
dida you ne ajimambedu inkum chese Jonathan Mensah no
kisi
ana omo so abebo bia nti nkola na omo ba be di omo na de no omo e
asa
isin kola no
omo wie na no bi ma biem ye graduate biem
so yo mu a batisi ese obi wa ha na yakwa kofa no ne de na ba onko so omo nya papa
so when I'm Serbia in Finland in
say enu na business
yes
the business aspect no
so di ni o me fra no inte mo baby na we ni ma kwara be ye gwa na say
Ndi ebasa
it you have for any mom de be fi
ebasa de obi as
sasie pa
we no otua ho duty pot ni bi
otua duty
o be kon ne ntokwa wa ko pot pa na me ma ba ma me ma ba
ezo be kom na sie
omunyo
you go over France na nipa guzu ebi o mu yi ma na kasia we dey nyese bia ti so bi e container na so akwa
ko sare ma
ni ma na omu nya za ni
isi
omu za semra ni wa
so bi on mo hu se obi ye ni ma ba fie ni ma ba fie ntino wanye bia ma bia no enye by force adi bi on mo
a man for se ni fie
me ame do ba ko no wa ko ni ma me bese me bohodi ama wa dwan ba so
me ga de me pe bibia
to wa ko ni ma pa ni be brebe so wa just shout to me
what you say we grade best 40
you Africa video na ba akwa bi ahwe referee bi ani so ho so mo bo na referee na ohun ze referee no etu no say a yellow card na na no wa animu but ordinary no kwa chire dia as a red card referee na nyi card na nwi kura na so na ze referee so afa no ho adwe no so pacho fa video no to why na said referee so kwa na ni so no na adane ntokwa park no so say ekwan players ni bi di referees ni fa so no normally ya bobo a the odi referee na no mo tai eye tai nyinyi chen players no
yeah
inti anye bi crowd e fa ne say o papa na e to ayere
e fa bidie ma no
say utimi hwe pani anim na wo hwe nani so sa say wa akobobo wa mo niye na all my red card na utimi bo nani so sa no kredi nyame anim o video
na kwaku kase wa buru na we de kase wa buru because wa buru ba ku bebi o na we left right wa papa na nizu we yes wa papa na nizu we yes wa boss true wa papa na nizu
I should na nizu ma
yeah obo it obo it means I don't know how my reply
Debbie
na player na training match ana
training match say
na dia na share try
ne so so no atwetwa ma na be she we nim
referee say no nonsense man
oh no ba player na wini we dey referee na team na say referee no oh ni dey na land o o dey referee twede
there is a referee no na wan kan je
wan aje
opuma ko akire
David referee dey efunimu efunimu wan na ni say player no beto no sa oh it we dey player na wini pa
Abani Champions League is almost started, but Manchester United ni Young Boys Ronaldo at first goal.
Hey, Ronaldo is so.
Young Boys
Ronaldo
is so. Hey, Mr. Nani, Saturday na o hwese dia akwai ada.
Charlie, ni fie akwai. Charlie, chen ka kra bi ba. Every can ni ma wa.
Na Young Boys ni team ben.
Almost Switzerland, yeah.
Young Boys.
I want to talk about Champions League.
We dey o man show mo dey anka be mo.
Okay, masa. We ask na come to me say.
We say team no minim. Young Boys ni minim, na Young Boys.
And I'm saying,
school from Ghana already. We say school from
Brentford both Division 1 eba be share.
And I say say Brentford, you meet Young Boys.
Obani wo dia ne say, adwuma bia wo ye bia fa ni je. Boys bi e pake watermelon. Na kwa mfa so pake watermelon. When you beje keke e ko fa video net wo omo enyu so ahodi bebro e ya adwen ani nyansa ne the passion for the job akware da so buru afi no what is that no
wo be man animu aso
we are saying obeno on crowdfunding strategy no omo de pake you know watermelon no
afi na beba
wow
the white children to we reje to na beti so sa no and o say onyuso ahodi bebro
we skill
what I say
who said there's difference between our skill not to do something and the strength to do it
yes
we are skill at play pa what you na kwanchi je o
we say no bet pack two containers grana but adwuma no yen so ka adwuma e de pa
and also ma fa no easy
mo me hwa ade no Facebook na
so de ba ko ka de no
hwe se de ogina ka nu so de ne kwa chitimi eje to no boko no efe
yeah efe
adwuma ya na me yem didie no no didie but waya so de adwuma to ho a che se e ma ne mre pi ti adwuma bi a wo ye bia device strategy a
so that very simple man
yeah adwuma ya ka se obi to say eh na mo kasa sa anti entra mo ne ade da bi ho no mo me ka de bia me ko di ufuo ni abekwan a me ba me kan news na
trouble
en kan boba me hnim side ho no nam say
na unim
ebu fa so asaba ba
check ba ku bi o mu ne say o kasa say eye program bi ni mu say bi ni ana say bi a ye ru OfieKwanso na ye bonwom no eno kra de say BBC kra na ya na e ha dwensa say mum say o ya announcement ana o kan news na ade no asiw na uja ho a
e wane sun mu tro no onde e wane
that be ojigu meti ko ori yeso
ankwanko peladra
ori yeso wanga yo
o ha na
yeso sa to so
o wana yi
ori yeso wanga yo yeso sa to so ba bi o jesi na o ko ni tata o na ko yi
wana so nya hangwa o twakwan no ka e gina so ntwam no no obo wa won video
o kota kromfo no be jani sisi a
obedi the last video for the day eba na adoma chege gu ahodo so ni mbo ba ma nya wadwen se oni mbo bontu awie ade ase
yeah
and also ni FM so ka se just wawie obi a woni de na ya na se ye be yusu amanfa so aba so amayen
yeah
openi hu se ade ba ko ahuhwane e den pa ekube bi se hu se kuta se kan no no mo de ewawa ho se na mo mi na kube ne da mensem na me to se kan me wana mensa afu ni ni ho ba abante we de ono so onyu so se kan e na kwa kutwa ne nsa openi odna no ne ehwane kube ya
o say
odna no ne si odi sikube hu si anu awai si anu awai
na se ono so be se ne se
on se ne se unim si anya me de man ora bra Facebook le behwe ni pada senia ne kube no enye 777 previous ase kan na odi etwa awai ho ne sepa osom se ya osom so anu awai enye se bia wo ye na boko obi o wo hwe kwa abante ne fa so pa de ne se wa bi na
no but you see this dey betimi aturu si o
tu ne se mata
na onya mo transfer
enye sa grosso no odi o
na onya mo transfer kai hwe
that's right. That's right. Oh, we bibia. We cross kan nya fast say.
Kwaku.
Se kan nya fast say.
Na obe yekube ba kwa wi. Hwe. Wasa ni se pai anu musuo no.
Crazy man.
Hey, agwadu nya hwe. Wa bonsuo ni wo mu na awie. Wei. Obetna okube so ofi.
Onsi for mo di no so ho wi.
Abani anu acha de gu ahodo.
Wa wie kura se yi mu aduane no kura san we aka.
We se broni bia nke abo ayi museum bia na se ayi site bia ma na o sha wewe mu ene ne se.
No, but risk dangerous so.
Broni a. We se obani broni no tibi de ne se ewe nke o sha go no sha wewe mu.
Na broni si de be da ku be.
Guinness
omo si mu ye. Ana haye de.
O wie ye wa yi ne first hour the papa pa.
Why you do pon?
And we broni kan se nyina be yagu. Kwasi eden.
No, but ehu.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Opening sa adwin say ya abrofo ani ahoden ne sa ne ma no.
Enya no kra o.
Ba o se ne de.
Wo de tena ho. Uni abrofo bi hu den a.
Eyi a o me say eyi abrofo mema no e na o ye mre na. Maybe sister bi catch him say.
Twa so kakra bi. Abrantie yi e de message bi aba.
O say. Dankwa no.
There be eko.
O say.
No ni din ya wiem say kwesi bi. I think here in the kwesi otin or say he shouldn't be allowed to say
yes. Because we almost say piano bia.
But this is dangerous. Papa.
Jeko. to video makwaku na abrabo nipa bobia no mo anse mo asua o se ye ne mo nipa ne mo yese e wo ne ma bi mu ye the difference an say ye timi ye bibi a ye hu se ye we me fa me di
ye abo anso ye bibi ma hu so ye bibi
but un say ye ne difference no
anoma bi na ho me fie ba bia mita no why na adwen say ehwa na obechichire na busua enti unim me pie pe a na wakote sane ma ode ye ne dan no prebo no no de abehye mita no wa me ba penu ma be yi atom ade be ji wasan ro je for 4 months new every day bia me yi tugu no so dey for from
it no say difference no
na nim afele na no kra dem kwa me simi ko yi atu agunu say me say na adna adodore ni tim me duye no me twe adin say ya ni nkosua ni na tata oh afele na me am do senu
na
da bia me say na e dan na me ba no wasan ron foforo a show sa
jeko fato so ma me na moyi wo moye aniema bia nwanwa na me hu bida
den no
yes sisa no na nkrama di sa agro no but eya din so bohu se nkrama miensa di sa agro no koku odi ato ho nkrama miensa obaba ku na mema mienu na agro a wo mu die no nwanwa oda tie fo mumra na mo hwe bi mo nyina mo so mfa mo ani mahwe bi na munni ho adanse 3 in 1 2 in 1
kramaya wa fa ne nyonko ba na aka mu
ni
elia mi hu na me ka se mo yetu but how come e ban se na ba kunu ti entire
na madwene ho
da bi ka se emo atimi ade nipa o mu nyina nkom at the same time sir
yes
but kramaya etiye for we ntimi nchechem kese o ready no
so na secret so ado so chia wa
oh yeah etiye for we no ye ntimi nchechem bebre on the radio wa bra Facebook go na behwe na mum say ye chiremu a chire wa
bia na Facebook ntim munya to ase na mo ron commentary
ye ntimi tie commentary no me ron but ntimi nko details ade ni nan say etiye for se munim enkraman
ye ni mo hwe
da bi tie o da bi
ni gina tie for na
wa hwe ya program e be ni no ya
ni gina tie for den na ekoso me ni Facebook o
de ekoso no say e wo Facebook uzi
ya
kraman said the ofa ne nyonko kraman
oba na be ma
kraman ba ne be ma da etimi eloko no na wan atwina ka
ya to bo mu na entimi
na we de kraman oba ba ko
na kraman
mema mienu omu nyina aron at the same time
dwaman for papa
enti omu
oye dwaman for
papa
wie ho nansa
enti kraman mema mienu na ron kraman oba ba ko no ena ni mienu na so aka at the same time mema ni mienu na lock at the same time tino
na otimi agbo akira say fa kokoro ho na ni nyina
na kai ekwa da fa biem
abura no ho
ekwa da fa biem ya wa because said the nyame ye nkrama
no kotipa ono mo se so
the enchechum kakra a little biology about this nkrama there when they do it and they lock by the time obetwe e be yes awie no that is the time now ne hunsuo no be oba no ho ama e be resulting in pregnancy nti se oron na se andu sa point won na ukoye no mujai na otimi siko na enlock ye ndia hwiensi but said nyame said nyame ye no said wo bi na person kan say ekofa wrong wo na e hono de enlock it will not happen it will be say omu nyina the same place wo na no and omu nyina akona de na lock this is very strange
and at a time timako
it would mean say we run na we so run say when na di begu no and say na a lock yi
abopotwem
and kramai ba we de wadi amia
ensuo ho so no ye nu
hu
as obi abura ho say
we are say engineer say wonders shall never end you
with God all things are possible
we so we go why we so we with God all things are possible
African Mr.
Your friend and first now, yeah, be Obasima, you know, nothing.
Obasima,
Obasima,
I'm watching now. And but your mamma Fontias, you won't travel and say Ronaldo, I shall.
That's how. Okay. But I can't then whom. Ronaldo,
young boys, what's your man shooting beer?
And your young boys, Nassam, even for him to score, would himself the first match, no. Saturday day. Look at what happened, right?
Bracadabra. Mexico, PSG.
Bracadabra. Oh, 40 years. 40 years, I got 4 months. No, 40 years. I had no pressure. Buy or something, 40 years. Ono de oya no ye
me say hwe de Ronaldo ye no abante no he's making issue what am I young boys also team abusu ayo first year na fast that kese ma ye proud sponsors na ye nko ye nim Kel Charcoal toothpaste ye toothpaste ye de ye bidie ya na ye de aron kama pa say de kane na ye sisi bidie so na ye sisi body tree so na wo de aya na wo de aron so na apai fita kama no eno an ya akoye nchi akofa de abai unya good fresh breath, whiter teeth. The mouth gum very healthy and strong. It prevents cavity. Stains was so a cleaning come on, Adom, bring it out. Kel Charcoal toothpaste. If it's Samara Company Limited. FDI move your moja to say San count the fish shops, no stores, and supermarkets. How do you know? Kel Charcoal toothpaste. Gangnam Style. Or say happy smile. Anyway, Dewa 539 direct. Amount for dia need now trend there. From Jimbijo now so be cash. From 1 to 39 numbers. Head there back befa. With as little as 2 cities, wait me a discount or bet on one director who we need 20 times your stake. And I'll bet you on 2 directors, so I'll bet me we need 45 times your stake. The patrol stake here 3 direct now, and who we need 4 times your bet. 400 times your bet amount. Not just the more you play, the more you win. Lotto kiosks are holding in them across the country. But also NLA. Dewa 539 direct Kebi Nabidi. It's not a win, you know. You choke. Your fast day, your man Royal drinks, Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. Perfect flavors now here in here. A very fresh or come up. You go like 250 pesos are available in a shop near you. We are another quality product, OfieKwanso Company Limited, an ISO certified company. The door of 0262351251 and our 0272133373.
Gangnam Style.
As they do from Go TV. And also say they will be to me connected. Now why enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, and so Premier League, any other leagues I hold on can watch your football papa. Connect from as low as 48 Ghana cedis while bro using my Go TV app. Now they are calling their bed now sweating me Go TV. Love it. Yeah, fast day do my in boost herbal mixture. AKA police in the drone. Pa pa pa. Pa pa pa. Police in the drone. Pa pa pa. In boost herbal mixture. Masa vim ne be back. Yes. What's all with you now? You say watching. Oh, the Arabian team more. Now, on them, in boost herbal mixture, police near Drivia. And on a bois, and my Danny Daniano. Or Connie Peduana Aqua baby. Na yari bi a she baby a kona bia na wako cleaning nephew amount na umwetimi ayo den eti infection in the beba yari en beba but entimi nyo he is say wow immune system no will fight it one time. Equals Pharmacy, King's Walk, Herbal, Wedama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable bar shops across the country, Health Alert Shop and All St. John's, and I feel Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5. Fred door 0243 115 948. I feel 0246 208 496. The best sort of one time. 적인 여자 선어해 정신하나 버리지만 놀 땐 노는 선어해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 abusua de omu ne sɛ September bosumi miwa na yegusu gyina yi na sɛ wonte ya ye bɔ kaseɛ sɛ the Richoko National Essay Competition closing date for submission of entries the 30th of September 2021. It is a war preparing so the time to do so is now. Menche. Now, if I want to essay competition movie, now would yes, Kapa go ye Obabinya or share of the 100,000 Ghana cedis in cash prizes now for educational supplies. Yes. Now, sa essay ya Obabetrino. And so you will be our upper primary, and now say junior high, and now senior high, now over Ghana high. Now, and Chichimuna Kakran say, Omo ebe bomb home or what categories I would do no. A bit me 10,000 Ghana cedis cash, and I'll pay another 10,000 Ghana cedis in educational materials to their respective schools. Now, for all 4 runner-ups, no. And what each category be a monosono ebenya cash price at the attach the account. Open so past the PTR. The Obabe in the Obabe essay. What I say? Nasa essay now, Otrono. Who address it the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effects of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Wabra who stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. Very simple. Essay your wow handwriting and endorsed by a guardian or your parent or your class teacher. Now the 10 empty packs of rich chocolate 20 grams ashim, and now 1 empty pack of 500 grams rich chocolate, and now 1 empty pack of 1 kg rich chocolate. What the ashim? Not what drop it or entry no at the Accra Central Post Office, Adenta Post Office, Achimota Post Office, Malcolm Outlet at Accra Central, at Dabraka, Afe Malcolm Plaza on North Industrial Area, Down Suman, Springtest, Madina, Tema, Ashama, Achimota, Kisseman, Afe East Legon, Abeka, Weja, Ashoman, Frafraha, and Afenia. You can also mail your entry to the Richoko National Essay Competition, P.O. Box AF 851 Adenta Accra. Kaise closing date for submission of entries now 30th September 2021. Open for that information call Cadre Richoko Facebook now for Instagram pages now. You hear who now Sabeka terms and conditions apply and wash and also swama. Obasi macha there. Yeah, the Baba Shisha is here. Stay tuned. Now, also wait me Ajwa Chedia. Uji Jahua, a mouth will be the Jawu. Happy birthday going out to Paulina Amponsa of a Brad Dunkwa. And a happy birthday to the most amazing sister ever. You are too good to be true. I so love you. Have a nice day. I may not say, but you still read my mind. I feel so happy thinking about you. When I unwind, you are too special to me. There is no one beyond you. I can see. Happy birthday, dear sister. From your sister, Gina. Yeah, vibe. Yeah, vibe. Yeah, vibe. I'll say a happy birthday going out to Rebecca. Unyame Asida or say AJ of Rosie Crash and Daycare. No award Santa Maria Blue Kiosk. She's 3 years old today. And the message now they are attaching will say, may she grow in the Lord to become prominent doctor, as she said she want to be. From the daddy and mom as well, that's Mr. and Mrs. Osei J. Elang and Omodifi Ebaye. And no, no, na ye twaso eko ye nimu bi mu a the way or say greetings going out to my niece Yvette Ekufu. Okay, student of University of Ghana Business School, wishing a beautiful day filled with the blessings of the Lord as you celebrate the birthday today. From Amma, Jesse, and Mr. and Mrs. Ekufu Okai of VRA, almost so dear, almost at the buy, and we say so, or say, okay, All right. Abusua yentwa hutaw. Na fe ye ba eba mu ate. Ubumonzo wadi na chia to my crowd. They are so great. That's all be. They are now almost fine now. Adi abusua de omu say get ready. De onim fa obasima si no huni nyina no. Shase remind ho kakai ho. Listen say ye de be hihye so sisia. A special happy birthday though belated going out to my sweet girl, the last baby Frida Afi Sevo, for being 2 yesterday. Anyway, I'll say grow to become a wonderful woman, from your mom McCaffrey and then your father Seth and the entire Lashibi County 17 family. And that just said Sebo Nibanono. Emma happy birthday. Nyame Uncle Swana Unshao on your case. Abusia Yemfa entry na yentwa huto ye ba ye be beautiful lines atum de obayanso obefre oba sima chede eno ame na je na me fra na me fra force no frɛ ne mra why
Semi sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit guso na mesre a. Eya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shuna no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania ma menum di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wanum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA adi ejodi nka to ya to mo.
Voice number. Share. Why you know that say ubet me invite players be to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them. Why you know that say ubet me nyatinka e won you big games no e won them. Onia, what you who say Ube enjoy home ground advantage. Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues se kuku them you know bro fum e won them. Ana Jano for 89 Ghana cedis called you Go TV decoder. Any year na upgrade called Go TV Max so. Ma ufie and yes football hifian kasa. So to new decoder. Test Go TV call short code 1731. Go TV, love it.
Drama from day one.
Oh ma, pacho menya me okakra wo me Milo ni mwana.
Na waka ahwe.
Dabi na sme hu se odi biagumu.
Hey, ka wanno hwe ansa na we bisa me.
Hey, milk na chemu say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho bibia wo mu.
Milo all in one a milk bebe wo mu dada. Ne hia ne se wodi nsu befra, no ati nwani nomu de a cocoa papa, ne malt and a milk bebe a de ahye sachet ba komu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDA Dreading Kratoi atumu. Semi sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit guso na mesre a. Eya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shuna no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania ma menum di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wanum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile. FDA adi ejodi nka to ya to mo.
Oh boy, no when it is soon. Chalemeni ho. As I say me rush through fiesta see games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Nanka say dear Go TV Thursday say the rough. UEFA Europa League and Daso and a UEFA Conference League so tia. Wow, when now Go TV so. Nanka Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana cedis being decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max so now we enjoy games in na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa. Any Conference League fee. Hey, now quite jammy came here. Sell to new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she share a crowd. Go TV, love it.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Honey. It's office unko when him Aquataps Food Safe and tell her name you about Udini de Piano. Aquatap Food Safe, and I'm a door home. I send away you.
Almost also Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, Omode Ebulu Munsio, Efomunsio, Surunsio, any issue, and one tea, Edia Wanda Dedum, Emfa or Haubia Embre. Osanko de use with my pomidin so in here yepa. And Nontinamato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet me de paper surfaces beer, Emma and Wote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you feel Aquatabs Abama Mose, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquatabs were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio. Share. Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is chance. Yes, me use Bright Garlic Plus. No, Mensana Titi Ninano, Menisua Chimmy, and Menuma Tuninano, a giant winning now, dear Simi.
Bright Soldier. It's me general body pains. Nasam Waba. And Wabama Tinka. A Costro Papa. A year Jimasem Quina. Hey, Quack Pharmacy, Kameka. And a herbal shop will be a Mukajo Bright Soldier. And a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. A Wonungwa Dogon. Last stop. SL Junction. Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic Capsules. And your drew that FDA. I should just say a gradient cratway. I just to say, I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What will be my bench depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see for contracted. When you road marking pay. What will be my bench depot? Why? Paint to quality biara usual. Since you are why you paint and pay later. It's just a kakakra. That's a 3 months. It's young came. And see if you was asking me how would done here. Put him on bench depot. I will stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So I crack Kumasi Highway. Put him on Tobu to
Guys.
I go class. Mental. Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu nai.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efie di nunum a ye ne mo atena ewo edidi mu ni. Osa British a ye di mu no. Ye chi Hyundai Sonata mono chia baako eduonum. Eni sika chedi bebre ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa MTN no mane fe wadofo no. Na kasa fa text fa browsing fa isika na fa send sika ewo mumu no so emprepi enumu na wobenya points a wobetimi di Hyundai Sonata eduonum a eye mono chia no baako. Eni sika chedi pi. Bosu media ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Star 156 hash any ya. Na se wakwetu a wodi bedi achege kesi bi ase. Ewo MTN nkwanso everywhere you go.
Amanfo mechiamo sabre ya yare kodiagu COVID-19 abehye wo manu ye mofre ya bambo kese pa na se ye ahwefo awofo asori mpanifo ni titru ahemfu ye waso die kese pa se ye boy mai ho ban etimi mai mo fa semra ni so ko musa awonso a etimu na mo de hand sanitizer asasra musa ho brano mo twe mo ho efi ni padodo mu afia mo mode se mo be she nose mask prebiara ana bra mo ko padodo mo bo wazo a mo tissue mu ana se handkerchief mu ne na odam jemfam to so miansa o ma hin across the kokko oti region magia to me ho so se me ye gaka damboni na yemma mo ato bedamose.
This message is brought to you by the government of Ghana with support from UNICEF and partners.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Yeah, y'all.
I don't even think you know.
See what?
Say my life, you didn't revolve around you. You like the sun, you like the
and that's Sabina from King Promise. And this one goes out to you, Aliyah, all the way in the UK. Aliyah, mommy, that was why. God bless you. All right, so call me now. 0302216561. 0302216562. Meantime, a happy birthday going out to Janet Free Abebrese, aka Chief Driver of Paris. Hey, at the same, sure, go do Paris. So from your mom and dad, Jima, and then Obapa Messi, Jima, and then Uncle Kojo Fojo, and myself, we all wishing you a happy birthday. Yeah.
I don't cry at you in Zimbra, and you're so bad, I've been
okay, so young Kwame and Fire first caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yo, your friend saying?
Your friend Esther Asamoah Umiwa from the company of Despas, Accra New Town. Okay.
Why? Enkobi. Young Kwame. Okay. Yeah. Young Koso. Why Crado? Entimi pacho o time no sha CCC a nti drop na yeko o hwe na ibu na hu ade ka chem na mente so na why na me moving come anim na fi I fast why okay. How many minerals and vitamins and a war or basima foods in the moon? If how many products and are currently a war market or basima seal no a bon?
7.
Mepacho, what are the colors of the Obasima logo?
Green and yellow.
Now, what is the slogan for Obasima?
Choose Obasima to stay healthy, stay strong.
Mepacho, products yambe bossui. The when I want Obasima seal, Tom Tina, Salmina, Tom Vita, Velvita.
Tom Vita.
Obasima fruit no ni nyina ewo 18 essential vitamins and minerals. True or false?
True.
Mepacho, Otamaso. Yo, cause we take another thing, come yo, Miss Medasi too much. Hey, yo, daddy. Yeah, hey. Hey, trust you. Hey, I'm yo, daddy is good. Your father's caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
The patrol, your first saying.
But your family, Pamela.
Pamela.
Pachai.
Okay, Pamela, patrol. Why a crowd?
Pachai.
All right, then what time? No, a shot says here. Why?
Pachai.
Patrol. Ghana Standards Authority, any association of Ghana industries. I endorse Obasima cereal and Okra and Yanokre. Obasima food products need now 18 essential vitamins and minerals and Okra and Yanokre. Okay, so Tom Vita, Selmina, Velvita, and Tom Vita. Emudia wen and Obasima cereal.
Tom Vita.
Patrol, mommy slogan for Obasima.
Stay healthy, stay strong.
Mommy colors of Obasima logo no.
Yellow and green.
Now, how many products are currently on market Obasima cereal?
7 products.
Okay, enti koswa na 18 na so beti enka. And there is a month for speedy or papa there. Okay. Yen twaso na yen fa yen next caller na yen you so hello.
Hello.
Hey. Hello.
Yes.
You're from saying?
You're from Gifty One.
Gifty One.
Patron.
He didn't have ID card no.
I give 50.
Okay, Gifty One. Why ready? All right, what time now? It starts now. The patrol male celebrity bang and Obasima seal advert no more. Obasima foods no ensure better birth outcomes and no crown and no crap.
Okay.
The patrol Sunny Gary mix and a Covey Gary mix. Which one and a war Obasima seal no?
Sunny Gary mix.
Mommy, one benefit of Obasima foods.
Immune system.
The patrol, mommy, 3 essential minerals and vitamins and what Obasima foods move.
Calcium, vitamin, folic acid, vitamin C.
Okay. Oh yeah. Cause where tea, why? Nafi. Yen fire next caller na ono so yen hwe ne modembo. Hello. Yeah, good evening, Patrick for saying.
Emmanuel Mensa.
What say?
Emmanuel Mensa.
Ima, why ready?
Patrick, ready.
Okay, Ima. Obreno Eshase Sisia. Me Patrick, 2 institutions ben and on my endorse Obasima seal.
Association of Ghana Industry and a Ghana Standard Board Authority.
Mommy, the slogan for Obasima.
Stay healthy, stay strong.
Mommy, 1 vitamin and a mineral. I want Obasima food imu.
Vitamin C.
Obasima foods no, they are not good for children. No cry, no cry. The patcho Obasima foods no, a boost to strengthen immune system. No cry, no cry. Mommy, 1 biscuit product. I want Obasima seal no.
A Laura biscuit.
The patcho, which females? Mommy, for last one more. Which female celebrity and a war a Obasima advertising? Okay. Well, yeah. This week there, All right, yeah, Twaso. You fire next caller. Na yenhwe. Emmanuel, you want me way. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Fofo. Your friend saying?
By serving the Gladys.
Gladys.
Yeah.
Why Crado?
By my Crado.
Your time starts now. If I show how many minerals and vitamins in the world Basima foods anymore?
By 18.
Currently, products are in the market and world Basima see no
5.
Me pacho Mame biscuit product back I world Basima see no
By biscuit.
Obasima fruit no and you're good for children, true or false?
False.
Mame, the colors of the Obasima logo.
Green and yellow.
What is the slogan for Obasima?
Keep Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong.
Okay, Mame, 3 essential minerals and vitamins the world Obasima fruits me.
Iron, zinc.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. Because we're team. I bet you can. Why? Judges no back kabum. Na omo me hu. Yeah, winners no for today as well.
Nopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so kono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Many heartaches.
Did you really think that you could keep your new wife a secret for the rest of our lives?
Many headaches. 3 friends. To have and to hold, a brand new Ghanaian series exclusive to Aquaba Magic, channel 150 on DSTV every Monday and Tuesday. Get a fully installed DSTV for only 169 Ghana cedis with a month's access subscription and upgrade to the Compact Plus bouquet with 70 Ghana cedis. Aquaba Magic, welcome home, only on DSTV.
Hey, close up, ever fresh air, ever fresh air.
Train you, all new close up ever fresh no. Dear Nasa,
so say a triple fresh formula be a who num a boss here home by Naju num say from a son in Yamamiansa, a antibacteria, a could say a numia, purifying gel, and a cadia, and my numu aya carbonunti. Who you num boy and num near see a chill who buy free and winning now. Then my num to say, come on, the morning na.
Close up ever fresh. Ponako dear dear.
FTIJ Jadian Katuatu.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Atu, now go to ha. Make us all go. It's my slow. Some passengers see say fan me dear. Ebe edwuma pa o. Na COVID-19 is yours. Atu, me fan ya grow. Oh, ebe me edwuma ko fom kakra. Na so ye betumi anya ne daachi. Na o hwire won kwa. O be de anya bio. Me nua, me fan ya grow. Hwe. Hey, no kura no aka no.
Masa, kana yo ma o.
Chale me kwaba. Me ma review hand sanitizer. Jack, upampo hu nya ye pa. No ti na sese wo horo wonsa. Ebra no. Emfa wonsa nkeka wanim. Afei eya fa total toxic car. Fa to fuel. Memphis Kanka Santo. Kaisa ubetumi anya mfaso ngwaso. Any discount to pee. Saudu nhwehye trotro drivers, taxi drivers, any commercial drivers nyina club papa no mu a. Me Total Toxic Club. Total Toxic Club. Still a bosso keke.
use the stones again.
Say, well, let be that. You know, say we they make late where they make at the wedge.
Oh, Charlie Kwabuna, it no be me, oh, no be me. It be the program I they watch for that my new HD Plus decoder I got. Oh, solid stuff. I tell you, it dey allow me make I enjoy my favorite local TV channels. Oh, in razor sharp, high definition quality. It be 5 times better than SD. Everything make clear. What? It check like a day there song and channel selection A1. I mean, I can scroll to see what each channel will show even 1 week ahead. Plus, I go fit preview the channels before I go watch. Oh, Charlie, this is the power to select what you want. They spoil there for me.
You too can watch your favorite local channels feely in true HD quality. Look sharp and get yourself the new HD Plus decoder and experience world-class television at an affordable price. Existing multi-TV customers do not require a new satellite dish. For more information, visit hd-plus.com.gh. HD Plus, the feely experience.
Oh boy, now why they chase you? Challenge me ho. As I say, me rush through fear see games were ho.
Nothing Thursday.
Now, cause I said, go TV Thursday. Say the rough. UEFA Europa League and Dasso and the UEFA Conference League in Sutia.
Wow, when now go TV so?
Nanka, Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana cedis being decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max. So now we enjoy games in na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa. Any Conference League fee.
Hey, now why Jamie came here?
Sell person to new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she share a crowd. Go TV, love it.
Say donut, 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 donut. Hey, donut, 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 donut. Donut, donut. Then come cut up donut, donut, donut. Malaria super donut. Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till donut now. Won't malaria chill. Won't popo. What do we need? I want you. Donut. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat it scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu who say malaria wa wumojum ansana wanum Lona. Na nam yensearch na malaria no daso wo ho a ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Amanfo mechiamo sabre ya yare akodiagu COVID-19 abehye wo manni ye mofre nya bambo kese pa na se ye ahwefo awofo asori mpanifo ni titru ahemfu ye waso die kese pa se ye boy my ho ban etimi mai mo fa semra ni so ko musa awonso a etimu na mo de hand sanitizer asasra musa ho brano mo twe mo ho efi ni padodo mu afia mo mo de se mo be she nose mask brebiara ana bra mo ko ni padodo mo bo wazo a mo tissue mu ana se handkerchief mu ne na na odam je fiam to so miansa o ma hin across the kokko o ti region ma ja to me ho so se me ye gaka damboni na yema ho ato bedamose.
This message is brought to you by the government of Ghana with support from UNICEF and partners.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our workers car. Charges some 380 cedis.
What's send this can go charges no? Wait there cement 10 bags so.
Mini atie.
Se ube move work of Vodafone cash and ka ube service ka bebre.
Vodafone cash. Me say me network need there.
Tie. What's send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what's send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na mum tie asem dead pa. What's send this ka with Vodafone cash so a free. What's send this ka free Vodafone cash akwa network bia so and so you free. Masa it work atram. What that so you then was our network no so move bra Vodafone cash say
hey masa you chip na to ball musisi a.
I know say there what's send this ka with Vodafone cash so akwa network bia so a free. Send this ka do bia and prend do bia akwa network bia so free. Dial *110# say in send this ka.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
All right, this is 106.3 Adom FM. The patrol numbers there, ide everywhere. Menye jaho, and they 590 mobile aba. Etitratum on your phone. Now bet me the cash. Yes, so be call too sure. And now cry no direct, and now be pay me. And they wow lie. What I say? Yes, we just got to sort out some few things. 590 mobile. For all problems are money bet me also over there. Just dial *959# to play 590 mobile lotto on your phone right now. Just look around, numbers everywhere. 590 mobile and down some. Oh man, why you saying yeah? Yeah, trust me, in the meantime, a happy birthday, dear more champagne, wawumpa, and Komai Ghanaian international, footballer, based in Sweden, Enoch Edu Kofi, champion man. Happy birthday to you, bro. Nyame onsha no nya okese wate. Omie bi kwan kese ma bebre. Na de odon sabeka bi o me yensha. Happy birthday to you, Enoch Edu Kofi, all the way in Sweden. May God bless you, bro. Abusua we ni say ye no na de dey sorry so na say timi check we say mpom de wonsam ni bibia da na kwampepepa na de what I say Alaji vision or transit na e taw ni akwa ni Alaji akwaba
ya ja akwa nkese
mpon mu ye de
hwede mpon yankopon atom na so
ye so ho ye pa ene de na nyame de ato akoma so a oni rem
mi ba sho ne de ye de ayaresa ho enkomo na ebeto yetiefo anim tie de nchia kese de ma yetiefo nya de ba Adom FM dan kese mu na nimre twede mponyakopo asa hwe so biem na wo hwe na sa kwapro abeto yen eti mpa che ne ye time no so enti ye bobɔ ne ma bi so akire atiefo so how bi da so a wo de wo fa number na wo frɛ so wo frɛ ade wo ho bi ebe de ye no be kasa mpa che tie Midi Albam just here Dr. Alhaj Idris Amida Alhaj Vision Herbal Clinic no me okoko memre ha ya Adom TV dankese ye chi hotel bi ofren Rex Hotel me ne di hwa ni mu mpache hotel ni ye e bia wo how bia beto de hye no so eye ani hu hawa mpache ode bia ye boss because sense say hu hia ni padua ne ye kanea ne ye ni mpache hotel ni ye e ho abibidro enam didi juma na menye operation ho enam mfa adro susu nye de engu ani so ani hu how bia beto so mpache hotel ebia etena biba woni ni so gro koma baso woni so wisi ade wo kira wo hu ena ben so wo hu ba chotie men konko ye operation wo saa ne ma no ho ebia koko bi na akofa saa de na ba yare koko yare boni de bia ya meka ho asem obi ho ko private asabi na koko moja ye ewo mu ebetima gya wo sisi yare ebetima ku ben ma koko betima gya wo ti yare bia ma wan hwe ye de bia meka ho asem so obenum enuro bia ma wan hwe ye a ade obeko wo mu koko betima ma sabi obom kasa na enka wo omanum no ebia ho koko bi ho a ewo utrim ebetimeja utipaye wo se utri fam be paye wo saa wan hwe yi a obenum nuro ena ba na Vision Herbal Clinic eyen haban nuro twedi amponyankopo adawo ma ahira nuro bi so di acheme me won haban makoma 7 en eyen haban enubra enusini amde koko adro pachotie eka wase koko na beto so ache na se brabe koko yenye ho operation pacho de number we 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 Pachoti yare diabetes yare bone diabetes senya ba oso se pem pachoti etimija osisi yare betimija ohuna video mu yare bia wan hwe yi a eno no ba osima haye me ya ma haye wan hwe ya bonum no sampachoti obi se wanya diabetes manum no 10 to 20 years etimi nkogusu no nkwa na nyina dabi twede amponyakopo acha me haban bi a me de sa BP ene diabetes no ndro no bachotie endro no wo ho se sa ha wo beto so a wo de akini ache ebeja eye problem bia mo sa akoye operation ama na aka wato dem dia to na mo na bra Large Vision Herbal Clinic fibroid bia beto wo de hye no so de bia ya me kasa fibroid menye fibroid operation fibroid akwati se dua ya twa so de bia me ka ho asem o se dua no se wo twa so a de yiri na wo form na fife etwi sio ma dua no ma no fife be dua foforo nti fibroid na beto so a wo be operation no wo ye wi a wa hwe ye be sa fife no wo sa akoye e be wi ase na yi wa wo de na si wa wo ho kwan fi o ngu biem Epacho tieni ye mame wo de number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 Epacho tieni ye radio mu yare bi da so ebia wo de akini ache de bia ya mekasa Large me ye honhom ne susum ne honam ne adwuma wo how bia beto so e bia wo japade bi kura wo nsa e na obi pese wo gifiri wo nsam twedi ampo Nyankopɔn pa sisi se de ya mesika no ye kom hwede kokro Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam o ka asem bi wo si obi anyame empe na asem ni obi Nyankopɔn ma ni tumi a wo de sisi nipa sa nipa Nyankopɔn bufu wo no so e bia oba wa bre atumi nya wo japade bi obi wo sika che nti opese wo gifiri wo nsam inshallah so obi dua me do be rampai bom age wa de amount because twedi ampo Nyankopɔn pa sisi wo how bia beto so bia yare ni ato na amount na beto so pa che otie sexual weakness and then mema ne bre ye mema ne bre pa cho tie ne ye ye bre o papa odi bo ani anu wa gym sebi obema ne mu aye mre pa cho tie enye nu boni ne de bema wano mo eye ye ni aye mam handro betima ma odua bi kra ma wawe na wi a woda sori abo se bema ne gina so kama wo be bo djuma mo ni age twedi aponyakopo a che ne oma ye wurawura mo ye de ne oma ba me pa cho tie so wura ha sisi ye ya manfa bia mame ye maju se kanu ka me pia obi nyi dua bi na wonwe na ka onhwe ade se Nyankopɔn wotumi nyame a che ne oma pa cho tie wa how bia beto so wo de wonte ase wo de akini ache se yesusum ne honamani gi number na frame 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 e pato ye ma no so de bia ya meka obi se 6 months to 1 year ni wo mu ne sada wo so a wonyem ye hu ye nko ba nyima na ko mu ne nsa wo so a wonyem so wo mu nsa sa mo ja fi ne tawa ya se en na bre mo fibroid no na de fibroid no ba ebetima ma wonase atatai ebetima ja osisiare ubo se wo kwa na uti pai usase moja fini entimi fini padua no yedai enko busome no so a e wo se pie koma bi ba obi so ho woni sa pro bet beba na ya se ye ne ya epacho tie uba me ma wondro a obenom inshallah twedi ampo Nyankopɔn be sa hawo ya yedai afiri so epacho tie ne ye mame ebe yare bia beto so oju ho a wonti ase wo de akini ache why labs a just kana che epacho tie de bia ya me kan se mi kire mo se ebia doctor na all hwe wo no onye sunsun madwuma enti wo yare ne sunsun mu yare